Today we are taking a look at how our heritage mouldings can transform any room. It's always great if you can replaster old walls, but as long as the walls are free from any wallpaper, the panel mouldings will do the rest. The panelling can be fitted using your existing skirting boards, but we do offer our heritage skirting, which is 195mm tall, produced in solid pine and is 21mm thick. You will note as we look round the room that the double sockets are sitting just above the skirting. This allows them to sit in the bottom MDF rail, making it easier to keep the flow of the panels without being interrupted with a double socket. The traditional height from the floor for panelling is 1 metre, and this is the case in this room. The room will be marked out with a laser level to guide where that metre falls around the room, and you can then start to see how the panels will be divided on each wall. There is no hard and fast rules, but a favourite is usually 600mm wide, or as the wall dictates. Each upright will be fixed once the bottom and top rail are fixed into place. Just to note, the MDF is a quality medite board and it's also moisture resistant. Each of the rails are made in 3-metre lengths to save on joins. Once all the panels have been sized and to cover the wall inside each panel created, we use a 3mm HDF panel, which is cut and inserted inside each panel. It has a laminate back to hold its integrity and to help bond it to the wall. It's also a way of acting as a moisture barrier. We've also designed a special dado rail, which has a 9mm rebate and is also produced in a quality pine. Once fitted to the top, the panelling is almost ready for the last final part of the jigsaw, the heritage moulding. This has been designed with a 6mm ridge back to fit into each panel perfectly. Once mitered, the wall panels are ready to be painted. We always recommend using a decorator who will have the skills to give your panelling a quality finish. As always, we hope you've enjoyed our video and please subscribe to the Wall Panelling Company's YouTube channel.